Okay, it is July 31st, 2011, and I am going to start taking apart this motorcycle. Okay, the first thing the Haynes manual calls for is me to undo the drain tube from the water pump. Remove the drain tube. There are two O-rings. One there, one there. Okay, two bolts, 2 8mm bolts. I'm going to place those in a Ziploc bag. Okay, for later. Okay, I'm going to remove this oil tube here. There's an O-ring on the end which goes in the sump. Okay, just pulls out. And looks like the other O-ring is stuck in there. I'm going to get a tiny screwdriver and see if I can get that puppy out. I can feel it, here it comes, there it goes. So let's see where that rolls to. There we go. So, looks identical. I don't think there's any particular way it goes, it looks the same. Although I'm actually going to mark which end goes in the engine, just in case. There's a slight variation. So, I'm going to put a piece of tape on that. And get my pen. And I will point that way, and let's say we'll just call this eng. Okay, so that's that one. Oops, daisies. I'm going to remove this tube now. Nope, guess it's the stars. Can't see with the oil in it. There she goes. Oh, it's still too tight. And okay, I'm going to put both of those in a bag together. That's got a little bit of thread locker on it. Let's see what this feels like. It's coming out with an O-ring or something on it. Yep, there's no ring on that puppy. So we'll put both of those in a bag. Okay, like that. Next guy is this oil strainer. He's 8mm. I'm going to go around the other side of the camera. Got 1, 2. Bit more oil coming out of this guy. Let's see if I can. There's also a large O-ring on this guy. Gonna leave it in place for now so I can match it up when I get the new O-ring and gasket set. Gonna put all those guys into there, and that guy can go away and be stored.